Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a horror pack unboxing, and I will have a link down in my description box so you guys can get your first box $3 off and get yourself going with a new thing of horror movies. Start yourself a collection, girl, guy. If you love horror movies, what other better way would it be to subscribe to something like this? They give you movies that you've never seen of, heard of, anything to that nature, and it also just helps you build your horror movie collection. So, two things I want to talk about before we dive into this is I've been extremely busy with working, doctor's appointments, planning things, and all this other stuff, so I have not had a chance to sit down and watch Lords of Chaos, and I have not seen Aragophobia. I have not watched these movies yet, so I'm going to add these to my September box. So, let's get into this and see what we got for the month of September. So it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Always comes in a really nice bubbled wrap package in a box. So let's see what the first one is, and this one is a movie I own already. That's the only thing, is I do have a large horror movie collection, so I am scared that like some movies are going to be repeats. So the first one that we got in this month's box is The Conjuring, and this is Annabelle. I actually have the complete Conjuring series, so this is definitely going to be thrown in a giveaway with Insidious Chapter 3. So we just got this good guy right here. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Oh, this is going to be terrible. Oh my god. Okay, so this is Mega Shark versus Mecha Shark. So, I like sharks, don't get me wrong, but I can just tell you right now that this is going to be extremely horrifying and hilarious more than anything. But then again, it might blow me away. So it's Monster vs. Metal. So it's a real shark versus a metal shark. So yeah. None of the names look familiar at all. Christopher Judge, Debbie Gibson, Elizabeth Roem. Doesn't look, no. None of these people look very familiar to me. So when Mega Shark returns, the government unleashes the top secret Mecha Shark to defeat the monster in the pitched battle that threatens the planet. So this one's gonna be very interesting to watch. See what else we got. Alright, so Horror Pack Limited Edition Blu-ray, and this is Betsy. Now I do like the covering of this. It kind of looks really creepy. So it's completely blacked out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a little demon child sitting off to the side right here. And just by looking at the back of this, I can already tell you that it looks like a very poor quality movie. So this is pretty much what it's about. Betsy is a werewolf film with heart and bite. So after surviving a vicious attack in the city, Betsy moves to the country in hopes of starting over. As she begins to recover, something begins clawing its way into the moonlight. So, I mean, we'll have to see. Horror Pack Limited Edition movies, I have noticed, are kind of corny. So, we'll have to see. Alright, and then the last thing that we got, looks like a zombie movie, you guys. Like, if you followed my channel for a while, you guys know I love zombies and anything to do with zombies, eating. I don't know, I have a weird problem with like cannibalism, but I can watch zombies. It's the same shit. I don't know. I don't know. You're dead. The other person's alive. Like, I don't know. So yeah, this is Patient Zero. None of the names look familiar. Matt Smith, Natalie Dormer, and Stacey Tusi? I have no idea. Find the disease and find the cure. So in a pandemic, which we are already in one, in a pandemic thriller, Patient Zero humanity is battling intelligence, adrenaline-fueled creatures born from a viral super strain after being bitten. Human survivors. Morgan Matt Smith realizes he is asymptomatic and can communicate with the infected, leading the last survivors on a hunt for Patient Zero and a cure. So this one actually looks really interesting because zombies, I love zombies. Anything to do with zombies, I would die to, like, I don't know. I just love zombies. Like, I think it would be a great pandemic, don't you guys think? So yeah, you guys, this was September's horror pack. Am I saying this right, girl? I don't know. I just got done working a 7-day straight work. I don't know what's coming out of my mouth. So horror pack, we get Patient Zero, Betsy, Mega Shark versus Mecha Shark, and then Annabelle. So yeah, I really hope that October's box is going to be really cool and creepy because it's Halloween month. And yeah, I just hope that they really have some really good movies for October. So yeah, and once I come back with October's horror pack, I will definitely let you guys know what movie I thought was the best, including these two, because I haven't had time to watch those. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big, huge thumbs up. And as always, I upload every 2 to 3 days due to working purposes. And I will have a link down in the description box so you can get $3 off your next first box. So yeah, start your horror collection $3 off. What better way to start your horror collection? So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. Fuck what people have to say. They're going to talk shit regardless about you, even if you're doing good or bad. So yeah, see you guys.